Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy named Yakov Karni and I'm back with a brand new video and I'm excited for this because we're going to unbox the new shoes that just came out 2 weeks ago and it's called Travis Scott new shoes and I'm going to unbox it. And I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like Travis Scott music and everything, let me know in the comments about that. What's your favorite music? And I will respond to you right away about that. And let's just unbox it. So let's go. All right. Whoa! Look, guys. It has a really nice. It has a nice name. It says Jack. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says Jack, and that's actually my best friend's name. And the box is amazing. I love the box. It's sick in the head. And I just want to show you the whole details, what it looks like. See, I'm an 8.5. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's 8.5. It's also for British. It's so sick. I love it. It's so cool. And now let's see what's inside it. All right. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, perfect. Look, Goat. So this is what I got it from. I got it from Goat, and it's really cool. They give you this all the time. Let's see how it looks like. Whoa, look at this, guys. Tell me that looks sick. That is looking sick and fire. Whoa, that's in the head. I love it. I actually love the shoes. It's the same thing. Basically has chocolate inside it. This is chocolate. It's like a vanilla frappuccino shoe. I love it. It's like super, and that's it. Nothing inside it, especially. But I love the paper, how it looks like. It looks sick. So yeah, guys, I have the new Travis Scott shoes just came out. If you guys want to get it, I will link you below. If you guys want to see how it looks like, and it looks fire. I'm actually gonna make a short video on it also, but it looks so fire. I feel like people will be like, "Where did you get this shoes, Yakov Karni?" And I'm gonna be like, I got it from Goat, and it's Travis Scott's new shoes. So Travis Scott, if you ever seen this video and you like this video a lot, let me know if you like this shoe, because I bet you this shoes anyway, Travis. And I just want to say, bro, I'm a big fan of your songs, and I love your shoes. And this is my first time getting their shoes for the first time. Thank you for watching me unboxing my box of the Nike shoes, Travis Scott's new shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments and your thoughts and everything about what you think about this video. And I hope you guys to see you guys again. Continue making more videos. So I just want to say, hit that button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to get me a big like. And I love you. Adios.